In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users to teams and create a management hierarchy in HubSpot Easy 2026 Guide. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in HubSpot, how to work within users and teams, and how to assign managers and direct reports so your org structure is clear and your permissions and reporting line up with how your business actually works. Start by signing in and heading to your HubSpot home screen. From anywhere in the app, look to the top of the page and click the Settings gear icon. This takes you into the main settings area where all user and team administration happens. In the left sidebar, open the Users and Teams section. This view shows your people, their access, and your teams. If you manage multiple teams, pick the team you want to work with so you're focused on the right group. Selecting a team helps you see who's already associated and keeps things organized as you make changes. Next, choose a user from the list to open their record. With the user's profile on screen, go to the Setup tab. This is where you'll configure relationships that impact visibility, approvals, and reporting across HubSpot. Within Setup, click the Management Hierarchy option. Think of this as defining who this person reports to and, if applicable, who reports to them. Setting this up correctly ensures records, dashboards, and workflows that respect team structures behave as expected. First, assign a manager for this user. Use the search to find the right person and select them. This creates a clear reporting line upward, which can control access to objects like deals and tickets when your permissions are based on teams or managers. Now, add direct reports for this user if they manage others. You can choose up to 50 users to report to them. Keep this list focused on true direct reports rather than dotted line relationships. That keeps your hierarchy clean and your reporting accurate. If someone needs to appear elsewhere in the org, handle that in their own user record using the same process. When you're confident everything looks right, click Save. HubSpot will apply the hierarchy immediately. If your portal uses team-based permissions, record ownership rules, or manager approvals, those updates will start reflecting this structure right away. That's it. You navigated from Home to Settings, opened Users and Teams, focused on the correct team, entered a user's setup area, configured management hierarchy, chose the user's manager, added up to 50 direct reports where needed, and saved your changes. Revisit these settings anytime to keep your org chart current as your team grows or roles shift. Thanks for watching, and keep your HubSpot neatly aligned with how your team actually operates.